Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how to buy Robux in Roblox. So first things first, Robux is the currency, the premium currency used within Roblox to purchase different things like game passes within specific games, different premium items like clothing and additional power-ups and things such as that. So in order to purchase Robux, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways. The first way is going to be the easiest, to go to roblox.com and log into your account where you want to buy the currency. And then once you've logged in, you're going to see the Robux icon. It looks like this. I'm hovering over it now. And you just click on that there, and it tells you your current Robux balance, as well as a link to buy Robux. If we just click on that link there, it is going to take us to the different packages in which you can purchase Robux. Now, here's a little bit of a warning. The way these premium currencies work in any game, mobile games specifically, is they're going to try to basically get you to buy the next tier up. So most things within games are going to be 500 Robux, which means that if you buy the $5 package, as you can see, you're going to need to buy the $10 package, right? You kind of get how they're going to get you here. And you can spend all the way up to $200 for 22,500 Robux. Obviously, the more you spend, it's making you feel as if you're getting a better deal. So if you spend $20, you get 1,700 as opposed to buying, 4 of the $4.99 packages, you would only get, 1,600. So they're letting you know you're getting a little bit of a bonus. So you can buy it outright by clicking the icon here, and then once you've clicked on the amount that you want, you'll then select the payment method in which you want to purchase the Robux. Now, I've normally done it for my daughter with PayPal. That's worked very well. And we've also gotten Roblox cards from Target and places like that, where you click on that, you enter in the PIN number that's on that Roblox card and submit or redeem that code, and you should be good to go. But basically, all you would need to do is select your form of payment like this here, log into your form of payment, whether it be PayPal or if it's a card, go to debit card here and insert your card details or information like you're buying something from a normal website, and then just click the green pay button. Now, let's say you want to do it from mobile, like on your iPhone or Android device. As you can see, I have the Roblox app pulled up here. Log into the Roblox account, and then you'll see the Robux icon again in the upper right-hand corner. If we tap into that, it's going to show us our balance as well as the different packages that we can buy. Now, if you're on mobile, you'll notice that you can buy smaller packages. So you can buy 40 Robux for 50 cents. You can buy 80 Robux for $1 or 99 cents. But again, if you want the best bang for your buck, obviously the higher tiers are the way to go. And you can even do what they call the subscribe and get more. Basically, you pay $5 or $4.99 a month and you get 450. So you get an extra 50. So if it's something you're using to bribe your kids with, maybe you do that every month if they do their chores or whatever it may be. But the same thing goes here. You just tap into the amount that you want. However you're purchasing things, you will need a payment method on your mobile device. Like here on my iPhone, I have it set linked to my credit card or debit card, but you can link it to anything. You would just need to set up that payment method beforehand in the Apple or Android store just to make sure you're good to go. And then you would just double click or log into your account to purchase the Robux. And again, if you open up the app on desktop, it's going to be the same exact way. Couple of caveats here for people watching this video. You must be at least 13 years old to buy Robux. So if you're a kid listening or watching this trying to find a way around it, you will need to either have your parent or have your birth date changed within the app. Also, I would recommend buying Robux in bulk. The more you buy at once, obviously the more you get per dollar. But again, be careful. They always try to get you to go up one tier. Also, look for sales and promotions. They always, oftentimes will offer sales and promotions on their website, and then you can even use a gift card that's given to you as a gift, right? So that's the easiest way of understanding that. Also, Robux purchases are non-refundable. Once you purchase them, that's it. You already purchased it. There's no way of getting your money back. If you have any problems with your purchase, you actually have to go through a very tedious process contacting Roblox customer support to even get anyone to look at your case. So that's it. That's how you purchase Robux within Roblox. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.